My name is Vasana Bandara. I am presenting medication safety practices used in two government pharmacy settings for the development of a medication safety practice package for pharmacists in Sri Lanka. Medication safety practices used in developed countries cannot be directly applied in Sri Lanka due to differences in our healthcare systems and practices with limited resources available in our settings. Therefore, country-specific studies are required. This study was done among 100 pharmacists in two teaching hospitals in Colombo using an interviewer administered questionnaire. Implementation of medication safety audit list for pharmacists were assessed using a Likert scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the highest. Now I am moving to the results. The first figure describes the percentage of average number of prescriptions dispensed by pharmacists per day. 47% of pharmacists dispense more than 300 prescriptions per day and 16% dispense 200 to 300 prescriptions per day. The second figure shows the percentage of using tall-man lettering in drug labeling by pharmacists for problematic drug names as look-alike, sound-alike medicines, normally called as LASA. 89% of pharmacists were not implementing tall-man lettering. Only 1% of participants used tall-man lettering for most LASA drugs. The mean score was 1.13 for tall-man lettering among LASA drugs. Pharmacists identified 126 LASA combinations, 103 high-alert medications, and 58 error-prone abbreviations. Mean score for correct identification of high-alert medication out of 20 was 16.83. All agreed that no protocols were available to handle high-alert medications. Only 25% pharmacists stated their competence training on identifying medication errors, and 27% stated they had no competence in responding to errors. Commonly identified barriers for good dispensing practices are shown in Figure 3. The commonest barrier was overcrowded patients. According to these results, medication safety practices adopted by pharmacists in hospitals need improvement. Development of a medication safety practice package of pharmacists with protocols to handle high-value medications, LASA drugs, and training on identifying medication errors to respond and prevent errors are main key area to be addressed. Thank you.